Okay.
You got your left foot.
Right. You're on a rest.
Right, we'll just lift it up, we'll try and just slide it along.
Yep. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yep.
Put it down.
That's it. Right. I can take this out of here and tie it on out here if you want to get away and lock the gate up.
No, you just tie it on.
Right.
That's alright on there, huh?
It's okay, that's fine. Right. I'll be a minute.
There's a new garden project and I feel crows. The sparrows keep going inside my chicken shed eating all the food.
Oh.
It's costing me a fortune in the food.
Ah, the wee sparrows.
And everything's got all the swallows, the swallows.
Just stop to check the straps.
The fucking lights have stopped already. For fuck's sake! About 2 cars get through there. We'll be driving through this.
Let's get this unloaded. 10-foot galvanised field gate. Ideal for the carport. Aye. Galvanised. Never need to paint it, never need to worry. Fit it, forget it. Open it. Yep. If I go backwards towards the fence at this side, try and get slide it around the back of that metal post,
We'll need it for this side.
Right, okay. Aye, so I ain't got that gate. That was Dunfermline Road, that. This one didn't crack a dawn. Was back here for 10 o'clock. That gate's going to go there, but it's kind of where it's sitting. Take the wooden fence in. That way I get into this carport. I need to make a post up. Obviously take the wooden fence away, but I've tied it to that tied it to that post. That'll not rattle about, it'll not fall on the wee doggy. Right. Aye. Aye. That's quite handy.
payment only, or did you say?
I don't know. Nah, I've been there first.
No. Just $2 or $5 each, that's fine,
Fine, huh?
Handy and so you can't get this stuff at Thingy now. Yes, you only keep
Cheers for that. It's another piece of the puzzle.